Are you frustrated because your GCash app just won't open? Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes so you can get back to sending and receiving money in no time. Stick around until the end because I'll also share what to do if nothing works. First, let's start with the basics. Force close the GCash app by swiping it away from your recent apps list, then relaunch it. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Next, try toggling airplane mode. Turn it on for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and often solves temporary loading problems. If the app still won't open, switch your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes the issue is just a slow or unstable network. On Android, another quick fix is clearing the apps cache. Go to Settings, greater than Apps, greater than Gcache, greater than Storage. Then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing errors. For more advanced fixes, check if your Gcash app needs an update. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for GCash, and install any available updates. If that doesn't work, uninstall the app and reinstall it fresh. This often clears out hidden bugs. Lastly, make sure your device isn't rooted or jailbroken, as Gcash may block access for security reasons. Disable installation from untrusted sources if you've enabled it, as this can also trigger app restrictions. And if all else fails, contact GCash support through their help center for personalized assistance. So there you have it, quick and easy ways to fix the GCash app when it won't open. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this.